So this is the refractive index of the glass slab using traveling microscope. So this is the traveling microscope. First I will take that paper and it will be marked with X mark. So this is the X mark. Okay, so I will mark it as a X or something else. Then I will focus. So then what I have to do that? I will focus through this traveling microscope. Then I will find the clear image of this mark through our eye. So note down this MSR and VSC value. So first what you have to do that? You have to pick this paper. Then you have to adjust this one. You have to adjust this one. Then you may adjust this knob and moving up and down and fix that clear image of this cross mark. So after once you fix it that, don't adjust this screw. Then you have to tighten this one. After that, you have to take the vertical scale reading. So the 0 of the vernier coincides with some division. So that will be a main scale reading. That is a first reading. So then you have to find the vernier scale reading. Once we focus this clear image in this microscope, so I will note down the 0 of the vernier is exactly coincide with some reading. So that reading is exactly 1.85. So that is a first division. First you have to note down that. Again I will say that there will be a arrow mark in this vernier scale. That arrow mark in the vernier scale is exactly coincide with the main scale reading. You can use this magnifying lens to see this image. So are you able to see this? Yes, there is a divisions are clearly seen. So you can use this magnifying glass lens to find the arrow mark which the division it is exactly coincide with the main scale. Then you have to see one by one reading in the vernier scale. You have to see the one by reading in the vernier scale which division is exactly coincide with this main scale. So that division is identified as, it is measured as 35. So what you have to do that? This is the MSR value. Then plus VSC into least count. So what is the least count? It is a 35 into 0.01. So that means 1.85 plus 0.035. So what is the answer? That will be a 1.885. So likewise it will come. Okay. So sorry students. Again I will show to you. So MSR plus VSC into least count. So 1.85. plus 35 is a vernier scale reading. So I will show you which that is a vernier 0. This arrow mark is exactly coincide with some division here. That is a 1.85. Then I will see the 1 by 1 reading here. That is a 35th division is exactly coincide with this one. Don't see this one. After that, first reading is 1.85. Where you have to see that? In the main scale. Then which division of the vernier scale is coincide exactly with the some division in the main scale is a next one. That is a VSC. So that VSC is a 35 division into least count is 0.01. So 0.01 division. So what that is a least count. So 0.01 centimeter. So 35 into 0.01, what is that? 0.035, 1.85. If you add this, you get an answer 1.885. Then again. So now we are taking the reading without slab. Then we have to insert the slab. So I will fix that slab with this one. So here I will put some powder. Don't worry about this. Without the powder only I am going to focus this mark through traveling microscope. So what will happen whenever the slab is placed? Due to the refraction, the image will be slightly raised upwards. So definitely we have to adjust this screw upwards. Then what will happen? The microscope will move up. Then clear image of the cross mark will be focused here. Then again, the arrow mark which is coincide with the main scale is a first division, then which division of the vernier scale is coincident with the next one is the adapt. So we will found that is 2.2. So that is exactly coincident with 2.2, that the division is 20. That means 2.2 0.020, because 20 into 0.001 centimeter. So what is the answer? It is 2.220. So that is the division here. Then again, first one is without slab, second one is with the slab, then third one is a lycopodium powder. So lycopodium powder is a chemical powder. So I place the lycopodium powder on the surface of the glass slab. Now what you are going to see, that you have to see the mark with the lycopodium powder on this mark. Now you adjust this screw. So now you adjust this screw alone. So only this screw only adjust alone. Don't adjust this screw. Okay. Then what will happen? You are able to see the clear image of this powder particle. So we are able to see the clear image of the powder particle through the traveling microscope. Now at this position, take the arrow mark. So see the arrow mark of the vernier scale, which is exactly coincident with the main scale. That reading is 2.65. Then which division of this one is exactly coincident with the here? That is the vernier scale is 20. So again we get 2.65 plus 20 into 0.001. So then what we will get? 2.65. So I will add up 2.65 plus 0.020. So that is 2.670. So that is the R3 value. So R1 value is 1.885. R2 value is 2.220, R3 is 2.670. So without slab, with the slab and lycopodium powder. Now R3 minus R1 is a real thickness, real depth. So R3 minus R1 is 0.785. Then R3 minus R2 is 0.45. Then what will happen? Then if you divide this one, because R3 minus R1 by R3 minus R2, that is a real depth by apparent depth. That is a refractive index of the glass slab. That will be exactly 1.74. So if you take the repeatedly again 3 readings, you get the average value of refractive index of the given glass prism. Again I will say that first you have to focus the mark without slab. Then you have to focus the mark with the slab. Then you have to focus the lycopodium powder. Take the readings. While taking the reading, first you have to see the arrow mark of the vernier coincident with the some divisions in the main scale. So that is a 1.85. Then in the vernier scale, which division is exactly coincident with the some divisions in the main scale? That is 35. So vernier scale into least count is a 0.01 centimeter. Just to do the calculation, we get this one. So again you have to take the trial of the different one. So we will get an answer different reading. So take the average of this one. We get an refractive index of the glass slab using traveling microscope. So the principle of this one is refraction of the light. When the light travels from one medium to another medium, there is a bending of light take place. Rarer to denser, it will be bent towards the normal. Denser to rarer, it will move away from the normal. That is the principle of this one. So dear students, it is an easy experiment. While you are coming to the lab, we can see that how to take the reading clearly. So again I will say that the first one is you have to see the arrow mark, which division it will coincide. That is the first thing. That is, it may be a 2.65 or 2.65 or 2.2 or 1.85. Then I will say take that which division of the vernier scale coincide with this one. So first one you have to see the arrow mark. Second one you have to see the which division. So that division is maybe 35 or 20 or something. Multiply with the least count. You get the total value of this traveling microscope reading corresponding to without slab and with the slab and lycopodium powder.